Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Mat.C. So we finally got this little puppy in. The Specter air intake, cold air intake kit. 2011-2015 Chevy Cruze 1.4 liter. So let's see what's in the box here. What do we got? Just some random styrofoam for fun. Alright, we got the pipe with the MAF slot, or MAS slot, whatever you want to call it. We got the instructions, very important. You know, just in case we install it wrong and then we gotta read the instructions after we install it. Because, you know, that's what we do. No, I'll read the instructions. Some fun poppy bubble stuff. Pop that later. What else? We got a little box in here. It's probably what's holding the filter. Open that up in a second. Got your little rubber thing. Little rubber thing. Got your little heat shield. Oh yeah. Got your bracket mount. Hey. I'm pulling stuff out here. I'm pulling stuff out here.
He's doing an unboxing.
I'm doing an unboxing, okay? And we got a sticker. Specter Performance. Where's that going, on the window?
That's going nowhere.
Where do you guys think? The window?
Are you live in this or something?
Fucking right here, boys. Alright, so just had to open the hood. First things first. Disconnect your battery. Doesn't have to be all the way loose, just enough. Always put your tools somewhere where they're not gonna hit the battery terminal. There you go, set that off to the side somewhere where it won't jump back up and hit. Alright, so that's good there. So now we're gonna take all this apart. I'll keep you guys posted, let you guys know, kinda keep you guys along the trip, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. Alright, so I just disconnected the mass airflow sensor, which it's this little red thing. You pull it back, and then there's a little black piece in there. You push it down, and then as you push down, you're able to just pull the sensor out. Mine was already halfway out. I already pulled it out before filming. So, set that somewhere safe. You know where it is. Alright, so what we're doing here, we're taking these off here. There you go. A little bit of oil in there, but it's a turbo, what do you expect? So yeah, now that we got that off, now I'm not too sure about this. I don't know if I keep that. A little bit of oil in there. I don't like that. It's a cause for concern, I guess. Well, a little bit of oil, but in here's dry. I haven't seen any trace of oil in there. So that's a good thing. Alright, so the next step, we're going to be taking this box out. So yeah, there's a little tab down there that's connected into a metal piece.
Does this like even affect anything?
Same thing over there. Yeah, well, you can get gains, like you can get power gains anywhere. I think it's like 15 horsepower and 15 torque. But it all depends. Like, you got to keep your filter clean. You got to do certain things, right? If you got like a vacuum leak in your car, then you're not getting as much boost as you should. But we'll see. We'll have to see. So yeah, it's just a simple, you wiggle it and pull that puppy out. And the whole box comes right out.
It shouldn't be that easy to pull something out of your engine. Like,
you think it'd be mounted to something, but it's just a hook and a hook down there that it clips onto these nubs. Those little rubber nubs. Alright, so I kind of forgot to bring you guys along on the journey. But I had to put this in. I had to take it out of the old box. Right there, the mass airflow sensor. So we got this right here, that connection. We got this in. We got the coupler in. One of these clamps broke on me, so yeah, that was pretty fun. So I might just replace them with these ones, or actually go get automotive clamps, because these ones suck with the little tabs. Or I could just cut it, snip. But yeah, so we got that. We got the tube in. We got this elbow. We're basically golden. Right now we're about to install this bad boy. Yeah. Specter. Alright, so don't forget to put your tools away. This is the one thing I learned. It sucks when you close the engine and all of a sudden, or close the hood and bang, you hear a freaking tool get hit. Or, you know, if it so happens to fall in there, that would suck. Catches a fan or something. That would not be good. Catches the belt. So yeah. Bye-bye, old airbox. That's the heat shield. Alright guys, here's the moment of truth. I'm going to give the camera to my wife. Hopefully it doesn't throw a check engine light in a bunch of errors. Yeah.